start on noon that night. The plane's making a turn like this. There was 20-something kids on our school trip. And all of a sudden, like 7 or 8 p.m. Like that. People like, you look at the ground, there was a brush pile that was, it had to be like 2 or 3 square miles. It was just unbelievable. But everybody in the plane is like, we talked about just out of nowhere. They're like 25th Street in we went to Washington State. No, it's
Welcome to Orlando, ladies and gentlemen. The local time here is 7:50. Excuse me, 7:55. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has parked the aircraft at the gate.